Welcome to Maths class. In this video, I am going to explain the sums given in exercise 1.1 in the chapter fractions. Question number 5. Multiply the following. Subdivision 2 by 3 into 6. Here 2 6 are 12. 12 by 3 equal to 4. So the answer is 4. Subdivision 2 8 1 by 3 into 5. Here 8 1 by 3 is a mixed fraction which may write as 8 plus 1 by 3. 8 plus 1 by 3 is multiplied by 5. We get 8 5s are 40 plus 1 by 3 into 5 gives 5 by 3. 5 by 3 may write as 1 2 by 3. So again 40 plus 1 41 2 by 3. So the answer is 41 2 by 3. Subdivision 3 3 by 8 into 4 by 5 equal to, here numerator is multiplied by the numerator and denominator is multiplied by denominator. So 3 4s are 12 and 8 5s are 40. 12 by 40 is simplified by 4. We get 3 by 10. So the product of 3 by 8 and 4 by 5 equal to 3 by 10. Subdivision 4 3 5 by 7 into 1 1 by 13. So mixed fraction first converted to improper fraction. So 3 5 by 7 becomes as 26 by 7 and 1 1 by 13 becomes as 14 by 13. Now we multiply the fractions 26 by 7 and 14 by 13. 7 and 14 get cancelled. We get 2. 26 and 13 get cancelled by 13. We get 2. So 2 2s are 4. So the product of 3 5 by 7 and 1 1 by 13 gives 4. Question number 6. Divide the following. Subdivision 1 3 by 7 is divided by 4. So first, in division of fractions, we take the reciprocal of the second fraction. So reciprocal of 4 equal to 1 by 4. So now division is changed to multiplication. So 3 by 7 into 1 by 4 equal to 3 by 28. So the answer is 3 by 28. Subdivision 2 4 by 3 is converted to 5 by 9. So first we take the reciprocal of the second fraction. The reciprocal of 5 by 9 is 9 by 5. So here division is changed to multiplication. 4 by 3 multiplied by 9 by 5, we get 36 by 15. So 36 by 15 is an improper fraction, so which is converted to mixed fraction. 2 6 by 15. Here 6 by 15 is simplified as 2 by 5. So the answer is 2 2 by 5. Question number 3. 4 1 by 5 is divided by 3 3 by 4. So first we convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. So 1 4 1 by 5 becomes as 21 by 5 and 3 3 by 4 becomes as 15 by 4. And now we take the reciprocal of second fraction. The reciprocal of 15 by 4 is 4 by 50. Now we multiply 21 by 5 and 4 by 50. We get 21 4s are 84 and 5 15s are 75. This is the 84 by 75 is the improper fraction. This improper fraction is converted to mixed fraction. We get the answer 9 by 75. 9 by 75 is simplified by 3. We get 3 by 25. So the answer is 3 by 25. Subdivision 4. 9 2 by 3 is divided by 1 2 by 3. First, mixed fraction is converted to improper fraction. 9 2 by 3 becomes as 29 by 3 and 1 2 by 3 becomes as 5 by 3. And we take reciprocal of the second fraction. So the reciprocal of 5 by 3 equal to 3 by 5. Now we multiply 29 by 3 and 3 by 5. 3 get cancelled. So we get 29 by 5. 29 by 5 is the improper fraction. So it is converted to mixed fraction as 5 4 by 5. The answer is 5 4 by 5. Question number 7. Gauri purchased 1 by 2 kilogram of tomatoes, 3 by 4 kilogram of brinjal and 1 by 4 kilogram of onion. What is the total weight of the vegetables she bought? Weight of tomatoes Gauri purchased 1 by 2 kilogram. Weight of brinjal purchased 3 by 4 kilogram. Weight of onion purchased 1 by 4 kilogram. So now we find the total weight of vegetables. So we add the given weight of the vegetables. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 kilograms equal kilograms. First we add the whole numbers 3 plus 1 and then we add the fractions 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So sum of whole numbers gives 4. Adding the fractions, before that we get same denominator. So 1 by 2 becomes as 2 by 4 and 3 by 4 stays as 3 by 4. 1 by 4 stays as 1 by 4. Now we get same denominator of the fractions 4. So now we add numerators only. So 2 plus 3 plus 1 by 4 equal to 6 by 4. Here 6 by 4 is simplified by 3 by 2. 3 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. Now again we add whole numbers 4 and 1. We get 5. So 5 plus 1 by 2 write as mixed fraction 5 1 by 2 kilogram. Total weight of vegetables that Gauri purchased equal to 5 1 by 2 kilogram. Question number 8. An oil tin contains 3 by 4 liters of oil, which 1 by 2 liters of oil is used. How much of oil is left over? Total available oil in the tin equal to 3 by 4 liters. Quantity of oil used equal to 1 by 2 liters. So quantity of oil left over equal to 3 by 4 minus 2 1 by 2. So first we find the difference between the whole numbers 3 and 2. 3 minus 2 equal to 1. And then we find the difference between the fractions 3 by 4 and 1 by 2. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Here two different denominators are there. So we find the same denominator. So 3 by 4 stays as 3 by 4 and 1 by 2 becomes as 2 by 4. Now find the difference between numerators 3 and 2 is equal to 1 by 4. So the whole number and proper fraction gives the mixed fraction 1 by 4. So quantity of oil left over equal to 1 by 4 liters. Students, I hope you have understood the sums given in exercise 1.4. Thank you.